Mr. Electric Fingers here. Today we will be doing a tutorial on how to create a Windows batch file with Windows Command Prompt and Notepad. Now, if you don't know what this is, it is Command Prompt is the main command terminal for your CPU, and this is only for PCs. Macintosh has their own version of it, but I will be doing the PC version. Now, this is really cool to do because you can do a whole bunch of cool things on it, like create cool batch files, like pictures with it, and it runs off a certain code which is batch.bat, and it's really cool. You can impress your friends with it or just go crazy. I created my own operating system with it, and I'll put a link to that in the description for you. So first, to get started, what you're going to need is you're going to need Notepad, which is right here. I need to get rid of that. The first command you're going to type is @echo off. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to make sure that it's not going to echo the words a million times. So, after that, fix my hair. Okay, that's good enough. After that, we're going to want to create a title. My title will be test video. Okay, and now mode. What mode is going to mean is how big you want your screen. Now, if you want it full screen, I would recommend 1000. That would be the best. Now for color, you can do any color. I'm going to do OB for this one. Actually, I'll do OA. And now you're going to want to type go to. And what that's going to mean is it's going to go to a certain tab. I'm going to put go to home, which is going to be, and then you put home. You have to have it just like this. And then underneath, I'm getting bad at typing. Underneath, you're going to put what you want it to say. Echo means it's going to display a text. Now, I'm going to tell it to display hello world. Now, this is traditionally used for Lua, but can be used for anything as a test. So, hello world, this is a test. And then I'm going to put pause right here, and there we go. I put pause, and what that's going to do is it's going to give you the option to press any key to go forward, and I'm going to click exit, which means it's going to exit. Now, in order to make this actually run, you're going to want to go to File and click Save As. You can save it to any place. I prefer desktop. It's easier for me to find it. I'm going to put test.bat, and remember, this .bat at the end is required for it to be a batch file and run like a batch file. The encoding needs to stay ANSI, and it's going to remain a text document. So remember that .bat at the end. Otherwise, name this part whatever you want. So I'm going to save that real quick, and I'm going to go back and get out of here. Now I just need to find it where it says test. So what I can do is I can just go right here and search test.bat. Should have it here. It depends on how long I have a lot of icons here, so it's going to take a while. But if you don't have a lot of icons, it doesn't take as long as it does for me to find them. But since I have so many, it takes quite a long time to be able to locate all of them. But since I don't have the time to do that and search through all of them, I'm just going to click one that I've already made. So here's one that I've already made. It was an old test 333. It runs as a batch file, and it's supposed to be an operating system. So username, I think I was oh, no, I was wrong. Maybe I forgot the username. But let me run one that actually does, that I'm actually really good working on right now. I'll run Lynx OS Leopard X, which is an operating system I made not too long ago. Here it is. This operating system is supposed to be a terminal based, and it's going to give you the ability to do pretty much anything. So let me see. Valid license key. I forgot that, so what I can do is I can go here. If you want to edit it, click edit it. You must right click it, and here's all of my basic coding. As you can see, it took me a good line of coding to make this all happen, but trust me guys, it's worth it. Like seriously, it's worth it if you want something this good. So okay, I got the license key and what it is now, so I just go back here and type it in, and I'm in. So here's Lynx, here's our software. So I'm good now. So now we're still working out some bug. I'm still working out some bugs, but overall it's like still pretty good. So let's see. I gotta enter my password now. And now that I entered my password, I'm in. So that's how you basically create a batch file. It works perfectly if you can get every single line of code correctly. Well, hey, thanks guys for watching. That's how you make a batch file. I am Mr. Electric Fingers, and we are out.